Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something near and dear to my heart, and hopefully yours too. Breakfast. You know how much I love a good breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day, or so they say. But let's be honest, mornings can be super hectic, right? Between getting yourself ready, getting the kids ready if you have them. Who has time for a big gourmet breakfast? Not me, that's for sure. But that doesn't mean we have to skip the most important meal of the day or settle for something sugary and processed. Nope, not at all. We're going to zip through 7 quick, healthy breakfast ideas that are perfect for busy weekdays. These are so easy, you can practically make them in your sleep. Okay, maybe not literally, but you get the idea. So grab your coffee, tea, or whatever gets you going in the morning, and let's get cooking. First up, we've got the ever-so-popular smoothie bowl. Now, you know I love a good smoothie. They're quick, they're easy, and you can pack a ton of nutrients into them. But a smoothie bowl takes it to the next level. It's basically a thicker smoothie, so you can eat it with a spoon and add some fun toppings. Think fresh fruit, granola, nuts, seeds, maybe a little drizzle of honey or some coconut flakes. You can go wild with it. My go-to smoothie bowl is pretty simple. I like to blend together some frozen berries, a banana, a handful of spinach, a scoop of protein powder, and some almond milk. Then I pour it into a bowl and top it with my favorite things like sliced bananas, blueberries, a sprinkle of granola, whatever I'm craving that morning. It's so refreshing and keeps me full until lunchtime. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some extra fruits and veggies. Shh, don't tell anyone. Next up is a classic for a reason: overnight oats. These are a lifesaver on those mornings when you're really short on time. You literally just mix everything together in a jar the night before, stick it in the fridge, and voila! Breakfast is ready when you are. The basic recipe is just rolled oats, your choice of milk, and a little bit of yogurt or chia seeds for extra creaminess. But you can customize it with any flavors you like. Some of my favorites are peanut butter and banana, chocolate and almond butter, or berries and cream. You can also add in some protein powder, chia seeds, or flaxseed for an extra nutritional boost. See, easy peasy and so good for you. Let's be honest, avocado toast is basically a breakfast staple at this point. And for good reason. Avocados are full of healthy fats, fiber, and nutrients, and they keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, it's just so darn tasty. Simply toast a slice of your favorite bread, mash some avocado on top, and season it with a little salt, pepper, and maybe a squeeze of lemon juice. If you're feeling fancy, you could add a fried egg on top, some everything bagel seasoning, or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. It's a simple breakfast that feels kind of luxurious, you know? Chapter 4. Greek Yogurt with Berries, a classic combo. For a light and refreshing breakfast that's packed with protein, you can't beat Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, it's low in calories and fat, making it a healthy breakfast option. I like to use plain Greek yogurt to keep it a little lower in sugar, but you can use flavored if you prefer. Top it with some fresh or frozen berries for a boost of antioxidants and flavor. Antioxidants are important for overall health, and they can help protect your cells from damage. If you want to add a little sweetness, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup does the trick. Chapter 5. Whole grain toast with peanut butter and banana. A childhood favorite, all grown up. This next one is a classic for a reason. Whole grain toast with peanut butter and banana is a delicious and satisfying breakfast that will give you energy all morning long. Whole grain toast is a good source of fiber, which is important for digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Peanut butter is a good source of protein and healthy fats, and bananas are a good source of potassium, which is an important mineral for muscle function. Together, these 3 ingredients make a balanced and nutritious breakfast that will keep you feeling full and energized. Plus, it just tastes so good. You can't go wrong with this classic combination. Chapter 6. Chia pudding. Tiny seeds, big flavor. Don't underestimate the power of chia seeds. These little guys are packed with nutrients and make for a super satisfying breakfast. Chia pudding is another make-ahead option that will save you time in the morning. Simply combine chia seeds with your choice of milk, some sweetener like honey or maple syrup, and any flavors you like. I personally love adding a little bit of vanilla extract and some berries. Let it sit in the fridge for at least a few hours or overnight, and the chia seeds will soak up the liquid and create a pudding-like consistency. It's kind of magical. Top with your favorite toppings like fruit, nuts, or granola, and you've got a delicious and nutritious breakfast that will keep you going all morning long. Chapter 7. Veggie Omelette. Start your day with a rainbow. Last but not least is a savory breakfast that's packed with protein and veggies, the mighty Veggie Omelette. Eggs are a great source of protein and nutrients, and they're a versatile breakfast option. You can add whatever veggies you like to your omelette, making it a great way to use up any leftovers you have in the fridge. I like to add spinach, mushrooms, onions, and peppers to mine, but you can add whatever you like. To make a veggie omelette, simply whisk together some eggs with a little bit of milk or water. Heat some oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Pour in the egg mixture and cook for a few minutes until the bottom is set. Add your desired fillings to one half of the omelette. Fold the other half of the omelette over the fillings. Cook for another minute or two, or until the eggs are cooked through. Slide the omelette onto a plate and enjoy. See? Healthy and delicious. And there you have it. 7 quick and healthy breakfast ideas that are perfect for busy weekdays. So ditch the cereal box and start your day with a nutritious and delicious breakfast. Your body will thank you for it. If you enjoyed these ideas, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy recipes. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can start their day off right too. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!